How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add or remove the free shipping option in your TikTok store or TikTok shop. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the nice thing about it is you can actually configure the setting for each and every one of your products, or individually, or even as I should say in groups. So to do it is quite simple. So assuming that you guys have your shop set up, so I'm actually in the sign up process, which is what you're seeing on screen right now. So normally, what would happen is after you sign up, your store would look a little something like this. So there are four formats, being an individual store for your business model, a corporation, partnership, and sole proprietorship. Now, these four do not really matter when you go to configure the shipping setting, as the shipping setting is actually available to all these four. So what's going to happen is when you guys are on the dashboard, you want to navigate to the left hand side of your screen until you find the option that says promotions. Now, under promotions, there are two options, being campaigns, which is where you'll configure ads and stuff, as well as promotional tools. So what we're looking for here is we're going to basically remove, or I should say add a free shipping option or remove it for one of our products or even in groups. So the way to do it is quite simple. You just want to click on promotions, click on promotional tools, and then this page should come up. So there are three options. Actually, there are five, but we can't really see the other two. So there's buy more, save more, voucher. So if you want to add discounts to your products, and a shipping fee discount. So this is what we're looking for, the shipping fee discount. So you guys want to click on this, click on create, and it's going to take you guys to a new page where you get to configure the shipping options for each and every one of your products. So all you have to do is highlight it and either set them to a price for the shipping fee or make them free. So there are some cool things that you guys can do too, where you can configure the dates for it. So how long the event will go for, or I should say the promo or the free shipping period will go for, or you can have it set indefinitely. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So simply hit save and you're done. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.